How to use emotes in Roblox. So the first thing that we'll need to do is we'll need to set them up. So I've just logged into Roblox here. Click on the hamburger menu icon here and go to avatar. Now from our avatar section, we will hover over animations and then select emotes. Now, as you can see, we'll have some default emotes here, and you can also purchase different ones, but I'll just use this as an example. So we have 7 emotes. So depending on which ones you want to equip, I'll just left click on it and we can select a slot where we will equip it, and make sure you remember either these numbers or the emote name. So for example here, I will equip it in the 5th slot. If you want to replace any emotes here, for example the hello emote, I'll left click on it, and let's say I want to put it in the 3rd slot, I'll just left click on here, and as you can see, this is going to update it. Now once we have done this and we have set up our emotes, I'm just going to enter any game here to show you how these work and how we can use them. So I've just clicked on the play button and I'll just give it some time to load up my Roblox game client. Now, once we have it loaded up here, I'll just go to a more secluded area, for example, somewhere around here. So what we can do now is go to our chat here, type /e or emote, /e works as well, and then we will type the emote name. So for example, hello, and as you can see now we wave. If we want to do it with numbers, again we will do /e and we will just type out the emote number. So for me it was 3. So as you can see, now we emote differently, and you can do this for all of the different numbers. So /e, if there was a dance one, we can dance as well. And that's basically how you use emotes. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.